All right, so now we are going to rotate it around the x-axis. So if we are rotating something around the x-axis to find the volume, and we're going to be drawing rectangles parallel. So get this area here. There'll be dy integration for 1. The radius of the shell that I draw, the radius will be a y value, so that's what this is, and the g of y will be the height. All right, let's check it out here. So I have y equal x cubed, which looks like this, y equals 0, which is this, x equal 1, which is this. Okay, so now I'm revolving it about y equals 2. So y equal 2 is going to be up here. All right, so if I'm going to be revolving it about y equal 2, there's the center. So I could do this in one of two ways. Let's practice doing shells. So if I draw the parallel to the axis of rotation, here is my shell. So my volume will be 2 pi. So from here to here is my radius. And that's going to be not an x or a y, but it's going to be something I have to figure out. The height is going to be this here. So this height will be top minus the bottom. So this here is x equal 1. X equal 1, subtract off, and I have to solve this for x equal, so I get 1/3 power dy. All right, so the radius, I need to figure out what this distance here is, because that's from the center out to the edge of the shell. So I want to say, go up, measuring from the x-axis, because that's where everything gets measured from, go up to 2 and take away this distance here, which is y. Go up to 2 and take away the distance y. And where am I building rectangles from and to? So I'm starting here at y equals 0, and I'm going to where x equal 1 runs into y equal x cubed, so that's going to be 1. Oops, I meant to write 1. 1. All right. So let's look at y equal 1 over x, which you know looks like this. Y equal x, which is this. And y equal 2. So I know these are going to cross at 1. So there's 1. So y equal 2 is up here. All right. Oops, I'm sorry. Oh, and that's y equal 2. And then I'm revolving it about y equal 3. Oh, shucks, that was not a great drawing, was it? All right, let me do it down here again. So y equal 2 and y equal x, 1 over x. Okay, so I am revolving it about y equal 3 here. Okay, so if I'm revolving it about y equal 3, I'm going to draw my rectangles parallel to the axis of rotation, because if I drew them perpendicular, can you see I'd have different top and bottom functions, right? That's not optimal, so let's not do that. Let's draw them parallel to the axis of rotation. All right. Parallel to the axis of rotation. So I see that I'm going to have a shell, radius, height, it is going to be dy integration. So the radius will be from this distance to here. So I need to find this distance here for the radius. So to find what that measurement is, I want to say go all the way up to 3 and take away this distance, which is y. So 3 minus y will be the radius of my shell. The height of my shell will be from here to here. So I want to say measuring, going up all the way out to the line, which is y equal x, so that's y. Subtract off this distance here, which is y equal 1 over x, or that's the same thing as saying x equal 1 over y. And then I want to say build them from here to here. So where this y equal x and 1 over x intersect would be 1, and then up to 2.